Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, CaptainFishbeard.com. Now, today I'm going to show you how to draw a minion. Everyone loves minions. They're very, very cute. And you start off with, you guessed it, shapes. So, quick circle at the top there for a guide. You can draw a slightly larger one on the bottom if you want to, or you can try and wing this. So, pull that line down, capture that one down like that. So it's almost an egg. And the minions are slightly bigger on the bottom than they are on the top, but not massively so. So you've got a shape here. It looks a bit like an egg, a bit like a Matryoshka doll, like a Russian doll. And then we're going to do the one with the short one with two eyes and the hair that does this. I don't know what his name is, so can you put that in the comments down below so I know what that one's name is, because I haven't got a clue. I know they've got different names, but this one, I'm not sure. So I'm going to do a couple of circles there for his goggles. And you can do circles inside those as well. So that's shaping up, and then you do a little square either side for the straps. Now his actual eyes are going to come in a bit like that and a bit like that. And then you're going to do even more circles, just full of circles this one. Another one in there and there. And then we're going to do the little embellishment here. I hope you can see that. Little circle there and a little circle there. Those are the little glints in the eyes. Now we're getting into proper artistry there, cartooning. That's there a lot. So a little mouth like that. Or if you want to go a bit more crazy, you can do the open mouth like that and stick some teeth in. I'm not sure if this one does that one, but again, don't know his name. So anyway, they've got the neck of the dungarees coming down like that. And they come down like that. So this is all like a square there. And that comes in there as well. So same shapes on both sides there. Then you've got the sausages. We always like to use sausages for the arms here. There's a sausage there. There's a sausage there. And actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that slightly under there because I think I've done that too long. So feel free to flatten the bottom of your egg if it looks better to you. There we go. It's your drawing, after all. It's completely unique to you. And your minions don't have to look exactly like the normal minions do on the TV. They can look like anything. In fact, I'm going to change my one. I'm going to give them a big wide mouth like that. This is Tom Sparke's minion. It's a Captain Fishbeard minion. It's not a regular minion. Now, minions tend to have two big fingers like that and then one thumb like that. So same on this side, two big fingers like that and one thumb. A little bit of a top of a glove there as well. Then we can start putting the detail in of the dungarees bit that comes across there. Buttons, I'm just doing it really quickly. You guys can take your time on this. And there's a bit of a circular thing there. But there's our shape. That's our minion shape. Let me find a bigger pen to do this one in. Here we go. What's this minion's name? You guys can tell me what his name is. I've forgotten. I'm sure I did know on the films. There's a good 2 or 3 of them, isn't there, Minion films? Well, there's Despicable Me, and then there's Minion films, isn't there? So, right, I'm going to leave the eyes to do a bit more detail in a minute, but just to show you, again, you take a lot more care than I am. I'm going to very quickly scroll these things down. Whee. See, I've done a mistake there. Probably shouldn't have taken that all the way through. Doesn't matter. Art is all subjective. It means you can do whatever you want with it. Even if you make a mistake. Ride it out. Make it into something cooler. Some of my best work's been happy mistakes. There's the pocket with the circle on. There we go. There's the shoes. Let's fill in the eye detail quickly with a slightly smaller brush pen here. There we go. There's your minion. Pretty decent, right? You can do a lot better than that, though. This is a very quick effort. You can do a lot better than this. You can make it a lot neater than mine as well. And once you rub out all those pencil lines, it's going to look really good and bold in those black lines on a white background. And then colour it in really nicely as well, and you've got a beautiful picture there. Draw all of them as well. Draw the little ones, the big ones, one with the one eye, one with the two eyes. Draw the little alien things as well. Make a big Minions picture. I would love to see it if you do. Anyway, thank you for joining me today, and come back soon for another video on CaptainFishbeard.com. Please like and subscribe. They're over here. They're over here. The big pink thing's the subscribe one. See you later.